Hi, my name is Sophie and I am the Digital Marketing Assistant here at Webgains.
My name is Luke and I am the Publisher Director here at Webgains.
So my name's Jess Timms and I am the HR Generalist here at Webgains.
I'm Andrew North. I'm a Senior Account Director here at Webgains and I look after the international team.
So my name is Rosie Slynn and I'm an Account Director at Webgains.
My session is all about the launch of our new and improved Webgains Academy. I'll be talking about why our Academy was created, how it can benefit digital marketers, and I'll also be giving you a virtual tour of the Academy and a sneak peek of some of our courses.
I'm going to be running a panel alongside some publisher guests around why publishers should be working with SMEs.
So my session will be centred around wellbeing and how wellbeing has changed throughout the course of the pandemic. Also how it's likely to change with lockdown lifting. There will be a panel of different speakers to really generate some discussions around some key themes to do with this topic.
I'll be hosting a panel discussion on the topic of affiliate versus PPC and SEO. I'll be joined by some experts from each channel, including Kunal Patel from OMD and Adam Mason from Quibble.
So my session will be around tips and tricks for new advertisers looking to launch on the Webgains platform.
Be open-minded. There are so many great opportunities for brands via the affiliate channel, from targeting NHS workers, addressing conversion rate issues on site, to testing new gifting opportunities. The opportunities are endless and it's a great channel to consider.
I would say don't expect immediate success overnight. Take your time, build slowly, take time on relationships in the initial period, make sure that you're promoting things in the right way that's beneficial to you and your customers.
My best piece of advice is to sign up to our Webgains Academy because it will give you all the fundamentals of affiliate marketing to help you gain the confidence to start your own affiliate program and eliminate some of the basic questions you may have surrounding the channel, how it works, and how it may fit into the marketing mix.
So SMEs are often associated with having smaller marketing budgets, which is great for the affiliate channel as you're only paying for conversions. I would say make sure you have key objectives that you want to achieve through the channel and curate your affiliate base and strategy to help you reach these specific goals.
So I think now more than ever, with a lot of people having been working from home now for almost a year, and a lot of different companies adopting a hybrid approach to both office working and home working, it's really important to have clear boundaries. So having a clear boundary between your work life and your home life. So one of my top tips for this would be ditch the loungewear, bring office attire back to your wardrobe, and we will be exploring a lot more about this in my session.
Absolutely. I've been here 6 years, and in that time I've noticed that Webgains really value their staff and offer great opportunity for progression.
So I'm fairly new to Webgains. I'm only in my 3rd month of working here, which meant that I had to start completely remotely, which was quite a daunting prospect. I'm also completely new to affiliate marketing, but everyone has been so friendly and been so welcoming that there has definitely a family feel about the company.
So I've been at Webgains now for 3 years and I'm definitely still learning something new every day. There's a big focus on learning and development across the team, which is great, and everyone's really encouraged to share their ideas. Normally when we're in the office, there's a big emphasis on like work-life balance, which I think is really great.
Yeah, it's been really good so far. It's an ambitious company, but at the same time, it's still very supportive. There's always someone to bounce ideas off, someone to ask questions of if you need the answers to something. So far, I've really enjoyed it.
I love working at Webgains because I really feel like it's a people-first organisation. As a junior employee, I feel highly valued and really supported. It feels like a big community where everybody is really happy to help you out, and there's such an emphasis on personal development. And each team member brings their own individual talent and skills and vision for the company.